Your new washing machine has arrived. Oh, what a joy! Left to do the installation. Start by taking it out of the package, unless everything is right. Next step, remove security seals so you can get the materials that comes inside the washing machine. The materials are the inlet hose, the soap dispenser, the caps, and a key. Start by cutting the styrofoam. First, this back of the washing machine. That will serve to facilitate, as it is necessary to tip her back, so you can pull the rest of the styrofoam, making your job a lot easier. See how to do it in the video. Remove the dispenser's safety seal. Remember the key that came inside the washing machine, so now you will use it to withdraw. The 4 or 5 transport screws, those used to fix the drum. When transporting, attention! Cannot wash without removing these screws. First, now is the time to fit the caps in the place where the screws were that we have just withdrawn. The next step is very simple, is the installation of the hoses, water inlet and outlet. Just thread the valve nozzle and then on the faucet. Be careful not to leak. After that, just screw up the output like this. Made it. It's time to see if she's balanced. If you are not, use the key that came with the washing machine to do the adjustment of the feet. This little piece that came she fits in the dispenser. It helps you see the liquid soap level. Ideal for washing. Just fit it that way I showed. Now it's time to see if we haven't achieved anything inside the basket and check if we did everything right. So we can go to the last step, which is calibration. Start by turning on the washing machine in the socket. Press the temperature button and postpone end. And press the button to turn both on. Ride my mind. Keep pressing the temperature button and postpone end for 3 seconds until this code appears on the screen. Then just press the start button and wait for her to finish the calibration process. Now, your washing machine is ready to start work. Short and share with friends. Sure help. Here you learn.